That was high.
Don't you guys want to start?
Yeah.
So why don't you start? Here with salad and stuff.
Yeah. The drumstick is brown, right? Brownie?
What?
Yeah, I want the brown.
Here.
Ay, okay, kakain na.
Ah.
I'm hungry.
Can I grab a drink?
Yes.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
No, I didn't.
Oh, here's salad.
I'm drinking the best juice in the world.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Fish hooks!
Look at the kids.
Hooks, come on! Mom, it's not Thanksgiving yet! Move it. I'm gonna put this over here. It's not Thanksgiving yet!
Put it down first. It's Thanksgiving. Cool, what do you want?
I'm gonna sit on you. It's not Thanksgiving yet.
Isaac, do you want salad?
I'm gonna talk about it.